Hello and welcome to The Resourceful Woman. Today I'm going to share with you an easy stir-fry recipe that is super healthy and quick to make. I think I found this recipe on the BBC food site, but honestly it's so long ago now that I can't be sure. Anyway, start with a few simple ingredients: aubergines, green beans, spring onions, garlic, chili, soy sauce, and oyster sauce. I almost never have oyster sauce in the house because I wouldn't use it that often, so I'll show you in a minute how I make an alternative using fish sauce. I always make this with a bed of rice and fillets of fish. I think fish pairs brilliantly with this, but you might try using tofu or some other meat or meat substitute. I usually use 2 larger aubergines, but the smaller ones were what I could find in a shop this week, and they will do just fine. Start by cutting the aubergine into pieces, then salt them liberally in a bowl and cover with water. Let this bowl of salty aubergine water stand for about 15 minutes. You can use this time to cook up your tofu or other meat, or prepare the rest of your veg. For the green beans, just wash and trim to your personal preference. You may notice that I'm not using a lot of measurements. This came about because I was trying to use up some veg one day, and this recipe is versatile enough that you can use however much of whatever veg you have on hand and it will still come out okay. Chop up your spring onions, then finely mince 4 or 5 cloves of garlic. You can use either finely minced fresh chili or dried chili flakes to your preference. Once everything is chopped, I add my fish fillets to the oven. You'll want to measure out 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. To make your own oyster sauce, just mix 1 tablespoon of fish sauce and a teaspoon each of sugar and cornstarch, then mix thoroughly. Once everything is prepared, I start the rice cooking, and now we're just about 15 minutes away from being ready to eat. Drain the aubergine and heat some oil in a large frying pan or wok. Cook the aubergine until it is softened, then set aside, leaving the oils in place. The oils released by the aubergine will help to cook the green beans. When the veg is all cooked, set aside, then oil the pan and cook the garlic. Then add the chili and onion. After a minute or so, add the veg back in and give it a good mix around. Add in your 2 sauces and cook together for another minute or so. And there you have it. Super fast, super easy, super nutritious, and quite delicious. Thanks very much for watching. Be sure to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.